Hello, friends. Welcome to the first day of the 30-day series of learning English communication. Today, we will learn how to greet and introduce ourselves. After this video, you will know how to greet, ask about your health, and introduce your name, age, and hometown. We start with vocabulary and phrases from day 1. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is. How old are you? How old are you? I'm years old. I'm years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from. I'm from. We come to part 2 of communication sentence samples. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. What's your name?
My name is John. What's your name?
My name is Mary. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. How about you?
I'm 30 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from India, and you?
I'm from the USA.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hi, where are you from?
I'm from India, and you?
I'm from Canada. How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. How about you?
I'm 28 years old. Let's practice the words and phrases we've learned. Exercise 1. Write a short conversation about greeting and introducing yourself.
Exercise 2. Record a video introducing yourself in English and share it in the group or comment.
Summary. Today, we learned how to greet and introduce ourselves. Practice regularly to be more confident.
Announcement. Tomorrow, we will learn how to talk about careers. Don't forget to follow along and do the exercises.
Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.